Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about nouns and pronouns. So, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So, there are many kinds of nouns. First, proper nouns. So, nouns that are the names of particular people, places, animals, or things are called proper nouns. For example, uh, Sunday, Monday, then Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, English, football, cricket, these all are proper nouns. Then nouns that stand for common or general people, places, animals, or things are called common nouns. For example, teacher, school, book, game, boy, girl, city, etc. Next, nouns that stand for a group of people or a group of animals or a group of things are called collective nouns. For example, class, gang, troop, colony, army, flock, fleet, etc. Okay, now comes abstract nouns. So, nouns that refer to qualities, thoughts, or ideas are called abstract nouns. Abstract nouns cannot be touched, seen, or heard. We can only think about them or feel them. For example, honesty, bravery, beauty, health, hunger, weakness, etc. Abstract nouns can be formed from adjective and from verb and from common noun also. So in this case I will give you a list of collective nouns and also some abstract nouns. Okay, now material nouns. A material noun refers to a material or substance from which things are made, like plastic, iron, cotton, diamond, sand, and many others. Okay, now comes countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns, like books, eggs, dogs. This can be counted, and nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns, like water, information, hair, bread, milk, coffee, and many others. Okay, now pronouns. So pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, it, they, me, us, him, her, and them stand for the names of people and things and are called personal pronouns. For example, Kavita is unwell. She did not go to school today. So here the pronoun she stands for the person Kavita. So it is a personal pronoun. Now personal pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, it, they usually act as the subject in a sentence. So they are called subject pronouns. And personal pronouns like me, us, you, her, his, it, and them come in place of the object in a sentence. So they are called object pronouns. For example, Radhika is a good girl. Everyone likes her. So here the pronoun her comes in the place of the object in a sentence. So it is object pronoun. Okay, then the pronouns these, that, these, those are called demonstrative pronouns because they point to particular nouns. For example, this is an oak tree, that is a mango tree. So they point to particular nouns. Okay, now comes possessive pronouns. So pronouns that show possession are called possessive pronouns. Possession means the state of having something. For example, this book is yours, that one is mine. So possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. So now, what is the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns? So we have learned that pronouns are words that stand in place of nouns, and adjectives describe the nouns that follow them, or modify the nouns that follow them. So whether the word is used as a pronoun or an adjective depends on its position and also use in the sentence. So adjectives are followed by nouns and pronouns are not followed by nouns. It is the simple way to remember. For example, this tree is an oak tree. So here the adjective this is followed by the noun tree. So here adjective plus noun, this tree is an oak tree. And next example is, this is a mango tree. Here the pronoun this is not followed by any noun. Next example is, this is his dog, that is mine. So his dog, the adjective his is followed by the noun dog, but that is mine. Here mine, it is not followed by any noun, so it is pronoun, possessive pronoun. Next, this is their car and that is ours. So ours is possessive pronoun and their car, so the possessive adjective there is followed by the noun car, so it is possessive adjective. Their car, his dog, my book. So in this way we can determine whether it is possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. Okay students, if you have any queries you can ask me.